How to fix Rust won't launch. 1. Disable all overlay related settings and /or apps. 2. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Update Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable that supports your Windows. 4. Verify the integrity of game files in Steam. 5. Launch the game in windowed mode, Steam. To do this, input windowed no border command into Rust's launch options. 6. Perform a clean boot on your Windows. 7. Close background processes with WTM.